Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Thus, the petitions are dismissed as far as the pre-proceedings to the notification dated 15/16 11 2019 are concerned. Stop. However, at the same time, this court is of the considered opinion that such golden line prescribed by the Constitution of India read with Section 101 of the Act of 1994 cannot be crossed by the state as it will amount to abuse of process of law, as the delimitation exercise cannot be an ever continuing exercise and the same has to be completed in one procedure spanning between the initial notice, which in this case was dated 12/6/2019, to the final notification, which was 15/16 11/2019, and has to be brought to an end then and there. Stop. It cannot be an ever continuing exercise, as it shall jeopardize the sanctity of the mandate of the Constitution, and thus all the notifications subsequent to the notification dated 15/16 11/2019 pertaining to the issue in question stand quashed and set aside except for the notifications which are purely rectifying the topographical errors. Stop para. This court, on careful reading of the said judgment, finds that the division bench has considered the judgment rendered by the apex court in the case of State of UP and others versus Pradhan Singh. Stop. Reported in 1995 to SCC 305, and a judgment rendered by the division bench of this court in the case of Bhupendra Pratap Singh Rathod versus State of Rajasthan and others, reported in 2015. Stop. This court finds that the division bench of this court, while relying upon the judgment of the apex court in the case of State of UP and others versus Pradhan Sangh and others under bracket supra, has held that interference by the courts in electoral matters, including questioning of the validity of any law relating to delimitation of constituencies or allotment of seats to such constituencies made or purported to be made under Article 243K of the Constitution of India and the election to any panchayat, the question of the validity of delimitation of the constituencies and also the allotment of seats to them cannot be gone into. Stop para. This court finds that the division bench, while upholding the pre-proceedings to the notification dated 15/16 11/2019, upheld the state action. However, the division bench found that the state cannot abuse the process of law, as the delimitation exercise was found to be continuing exercise, and as such it could jeopardize the sanctity of the mandate of the Constitution, and as such all the notifications subsequent to the notification dated 15/16 11/2019 were quashed and set aside. Stop para. In the humble opinion of this court, the division bench itself has found that if there is arbitrariness or the state authorities indulge in violation of the law itself, the bar contained under Article 243(o) under bracket A of the Constitution of India may not be made applicable for judging the action of the state where there is a manifest arbitrariness in their action. Stop para. The reliance placed by the learned additional Advocate General on the judgment rendered by the division bench of this court in the case of Bhupendra Pratap Singh under bracket Supra, the division bench had held that once a notification of delimitation of the constituencies was published in the official gazette, the same has got force of law and interference by the courts in the delimitation of constituencies is barred. Stop. The relevant portion of the judgment passed by the division bench is reproduced as under. Keeping in view the law laid down by the apex court, in our considered view, the Gazette notification dated 5/11/2014 relating to delimitation of panchayat area or formation of constituencies in the said area or allotments of seats to the constituencies is a legislative act in nature and could neither be challenged nor the court can entertain such challenge and in view of the law declared by the apex court. Stop. Thank you.